Hey, what's up guys, how is it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, can you smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you get notified. In this video, I'll be reviewing Urgent10k quick loan app in Nigeria. And as I was doing my research, normally I was able to find this particular loan apps on Google Play Store, and I feel like I should share with you guys. You might also need Urgent10k as quick as possible, and then most of this loan app in Nigeria today might take you on a long process on getting a loan. But then this one will be the best and fastest loan app you can use to get a loan in Nigeria today, which is just 10k. You can't get more than 10k. And it's called Urgent10k. It's one of the newest loan app which I found online, and you can see it's the total downloads is also 10k, which is 10,000, and the total review is 383, and then the overall rating is 4.2, which is not actually bad as a new loan app. Basically, I'm not really that sure, but I feel like the overall rating should be around 4.5 at worst, due to the fact that there is no much review. People should be able to leave good rating within the app as it was just launched. So if you need Urgent10k cash, this app has got you covered. Get an easy loan until payday. Refer loved one and earn commissions, which of course, if you refer people, you'll be able to earn commission. How much commission will you be able to earn? I literally don't know. But then, it's quite hard to even refer people to borrow a loan, because most people don't want to also borrow a loan for themselves, but due to one or two reasons, then they have no option than to just get into the app. And then these are the reviews that we have on the Google Play Store. 1 star, and this was the last year, 2022. And I'll also try to filter to the best one and see what people are saying. We have seen the fair reviews. So let's check on the 5-star one. Okay, these are the 5-star reviews that people are dropping. And then most of the time I used to recommend you checking on the reviews, as it's very, very important. And also you can also try it out. You may get lucky. And then most of these things that people used to complain about the app or anything that they give bad review on, they might have fixed the issue within the app, but then the reviewer will not come back to Google Play Store to edit the reviews. So it's best to you to just try it out and see if it will work for you or not. But then I just found this loan app, and I feel like I should share with people who might be very much interested in getting a loan here in Nigeria. Quick one as that. So you can check them out and see if they are really good, if you can get an Urgent10k as it was stated, and it was named for the app name. So check them out and let me know through the comment section anything you feel like, if they are able to give to you a loan as promised. Thank you.